Hey, I wanted to take a look at a stock for my dear buddy, Kings and Poets and Poets and Kings, over in Twitterland and in the Enzolytics Incorporated Discord. He is just solid guy with a sweet margarita maker. Hey, let's talk about this really fast. So, first thing I want to do, never having looked at something, I'm just going to click Max. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and drop in a horizontal line on my highest high, which we'll put right there, and I'll draw in another horizontal line where I'm seeing some repeated touch, which I would say is about right there. I'm going to color this green, as that when I bounce off of this, I'd want to buy, and if I get close to this, I might want to sell some of my position. So already right here, I can tell you this thing's trading in a range. It's trading sideways. Now, you could say that we do have some higher lows here, and that would be accurate. But my immediate question is, do we get past this resistance? And I think what I would do is I just go ahead and drop in a trend line right here and just connect it basically there. And we'll just let that play out and see what happens. Let's zoom in a bit, and we can see always good right there. We can figure out, okay, that doesn't really get it right where we want it. And this isn't where we want that. So we can fine tune it. Fine tuning. That looks good right there. All right, so this looks to be my trend line. This looks to be creating an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, but isn't confirmed until you're outside of the resistance. Now, at the same time, if I were going to load up on SPCE, now would be a great time to do it because I'm against that trend line. I seem to be pushing up. Also, my slow stochastic is oversold. Looks like it's curving up. But again, this sideways movement that we're in, right? It's just kind of trading between this support and this range. There's lots of gains to be had here. For instance, if I picked up at 14 and sold off at 50 or whatever. So definitely money to be made here. As this ascending triangle proves itself to be, a true pattern. I mean, we'll want to see it touch again and bounce off. If that happens, then we know for sure, yeah, this is a real pattern. But those gains are going to get smaller and smaller and smaller between these two. So what I would really want to see is I'd want to see us break past that resistance, and then at that point, I would say balls of the wall, bullish as can be. Cheers, y'all.